let's begin. We will do a slip knot like this. Just turn and grab the tail and do a slip knot. After the slip knot, we will do a chain of 2, 1 and 2. After chain of 2, we will then insert the hook on this first chain and we will do 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. So you have 2 chain here. What we're going to do is chain 1 and we will single crochet in this first chain because chain 1 does not count as a stitch. So we will insert this hook in the regular chain. That's 1 and 2, 2. Okay, and next we will do a chain 1 and we will do a single crochet, 1 and then 2 single crochet on the next, 1 and 2. And after that we will do a chain 1 and single crochet each of the chain, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so normally you have 2 and 2 and then 3 and 3. Okay, after that chain 1, insert this hook here, single crochet, 1, 2, 3 and another 1 single crochet in the same chain. So you have 4. Now you have 4 chain and then chain 1 and then single crochet 4 chain, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So now you have 2 chain here, 3 and 4. And after this we will do a chain of 1, chain 1 and then insert this hook on this first chain and cut the yarn. Cut like this and we will insert our white yarn. So like this, the hook should be like this. Okay, so we will insert the white yarn and do a slip stitch on the blue yarn, on the light blue yarn. Slip stitch and make sure this tail here, we will hold this tail on the back like this. After the slip stitch we do a chain of 1 and then single crochet in the same chain where you did the slip stitch, single crochet and then the tail should be inside the stitch. Okay, and then single crochet, 1 and 2 and then the tail, remove the tail and we will single crochet without the tail. Okay, so next chain 1 and we will insert our hook in the first chain. Grab the yarn, you have 2 loops, insert your hook on the next chain, grab the yarn, you have 3 loops and pull all through 3 loops and then single crochet, 1 and 2, chain 1 and then insert your hook again on the first chain. Grab the yarn inside. You have 2 loop. Insert your hook, grab the yarn, and you have 3 loop, and pull all through 3 loops, and then single crochet 1. Okay, should be like this. And then once you have 2 chain left, you don't need to chain 1. Just insert the hook right on the chain, grab the yarn, you have 2, and insert your hook again on the next chain, and you have 3 loop, and pull all through 3 loop and chain 1, and then cut the yarn. Cut the yarn and leave extra tail for sewing day later. And then just pull this yarn and cut the tail, and then we can hide the tail also in this on the top. Okay, just hide inside the stitches. And then after that, cut the yarn, and you need to make another 4 pieces of the sides of the star. So you just need to repeat this, and we will meet on the end of your round of your star. And now we will connect the side. What we're going to do here is we will tie first the tail like this, tie, okay, and once you tie up, we will grab our darning needle to connect the 2 sides of the tail of these stars. It's not complicated, you just need to do each of the sides. Okay, so we're going to insert our darning needle here, and on the other side of the loop. Okay, and then on the next, okay, I grab the 1 loop, and on the other side of the loop, connect together. Okay, and once you're at the edge of the white color, what you're going to do is we will try to make a knot here. Insert the darning the pull, so it will be safe, and then we will hide the tail here and on the other side. It's very easy, it's not complicated. Just do like this, and there connect both sides. Once you do that, we will cut the yarn, and we will connect, and then you will make a tie again on the other side of the of the tail of star. Just do like this. Okay, and now this is our last sew of the star, the feet of the star. Complicated to put this. Yeah. And then we will attach them together. Okay. And so just like that. It's not complicated to do. Very easy. Okay. And then once you did that, it's round. We will this one here. Okay. We will make a knot for knot here. Insert this one. Pull tight. And then insert this turning needle here, and then we cut the yarn. Okay, so that's it. And now to make a tassel, we will fold the yarn 6 times. I mean wrap around the yarn 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And once you have 6, take this one and then cut the yarn. And when you cut the yarn, we will just put there, and we will grab a blue yarn to attach on the star. So we do this, and then we will insert this blue yarn here like that. Okay, and we will attach on the star, on the tail of the star here. Okay, see, just there under, then like that. Be careful with the white yarn. And after that, we will tie this yarn here, the blue yarn. Okay, we will tie for like this. Not so wide, not so close, because we will do a knot again on the here. So just follow the instruction, my instruction. Knot it twice. And then once you did the knot, we will cut this yarn. Okay, and then we will, this knot here, we will put it inside here, inside the white yarn, and then so that it will not stay on that. And then we will grab another color, white color, and then we will form a closing here. Wait, I'll show you closer. Okay, so this is the knot here. We will pull it, we will hide it under like that, and then we will tie up this one. Make sure like this, tight. We will tie this one. Okay, tie it well, and then you will make it safe. Like this twice, and then cut the yarn. Cut the yarn. Okay, and once you have like this, you see you have like this, we will twist this one, twist. Okay, twist, and then we will tie, we will put inside. Okay, like that, and then pull it tight so it will become, it will be safe, I mean. Okay, so, and we will make a tie here. We can cut another yarn, another color of yarn, so we can hang this one in your Christmas tree or your decoration. You can cut another yarn and make a tie here. Okay, so do like that. Make another knot. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so guys, if you find this video helpful, or you have any idea on how to make stars or the tassel, let me know in the comment below. If I'm wrong, you can comment it down. You can tell me if you have your own idea. And if you haven't subscribed already, I have video tutorial every Wednesday and Saturday. So thank you so much for watching, and see you again next time.